Hey guys, this is Jim Paul's Rider. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so what I'll be doing today is I'll be starting my bike in the 5th gear. I don't know how it goes. I've never tried it. This is my first time, and probably I'll never be trying it again, because starting your bike in 5th gear is sure to fuck up your bike's engine. So I'm doing this just for the video, just to see what happens when you start your bike in 5th gear. Okay, so as you can see, I am in neutral now. I'll be going first the 1st gear, and then slowly going to the 5th gear, and then killing the engine, and then we'll see what happens when you start your bike in 5th gear. Okay, so here goes 1st gear, 2nd gear, 3rd now, 4th gear, 5th gear, and kill the engine. Get the engine back. Start your bike. Currently in 5th gear. And I'm off. I'm off in 5th gear. So yeah, starting your bike in 5th gear was possible, but at the expense of the efficiency of the engine. Yeah, so there you have it. I had started my bike in 5th gear, rode for a short distance, and I stopped. And I'm sure I'm not going to do it ever again. I want my bike to be safe, and come on, it's not healthy for my bike, right? So as always guys, like the video if you enjoyed it, share it if you feel the content was useful or good, and subscribe to that red button below. It would send me really good vibes.